So the problem when you stick the vinyl floor, PVC vinyl floor, there must be a gap when your floor are not flat enough. So here I will show you how to fix the gap. I am using this Skim Instant Filler, the filler that we use at the wall to fill. Why I choose this? Because it easy to use and it not sticky. All we need to do is just pick some of the filler and put into the gap. Very easy. So it look almost perfect. It's better than using a glue. Put some of this, then we just wipe it, and as you can see, there's no more gap, and it looks pretty good. Just like that. Okay, thank you for watching. So this is how it looks like when your gap are filled by the filler. Pretty, right?